It's day number 2 down in Tennessee. We're back up here where we were at yesterday, up on this top. Yesterday these birds were right down over this edge. We just had a bird gobble way back in that corner right there. So we might end up slipping back through there, try to get on that bird. But yesterday was pretty good to us. But
yeah.
I mean, when you really
better if we would have set up on this side, looking this way yesterday. We went a whole different ball game first thing.
that bird just kind of he got here too quick. One of those situations. But all in all, I mean, we ended up. Mark missed one, which is unfortunate, but Mike ended up killing one in the afternoon. So it was pretty good. Hopefully we can try to keep it going here this morning. It's windy and a little bit of cloud cover. This bird's only gobbled one time, but we'll see what we can make happen. Either way, we're out here turkey hunting. We're not sitting in the office.
That's
Pretty
right.
awesome.
That's right. We could be actually typing the keyboard right now.
That's right. All right, guys. We'll see you later. I think that bird was roosted right here on this corner of timber. We could actually see him up in his tree this morning. But I mean, you can see where we are right now, right here. I think what we might end up trying is dropping back down in this, slipping out there, trying to get to this point, somewhere where we can't get seen. But I know that low place, it's steep on both sides of it. It's not just a gradual low place. It's pretty steep down in there. But they actually might be in that, heading down over into some lower country, because this wind up top is pretty bad. But we did just have that hen yelping. I don't know where she was at.
She didn't sound like she was too far.
No, but with the wind, I could keep switching directions. I think that one gobble that sounded real good, that we heard really well, the wind was right in her face. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You want them good, Mike?
I'm good. Yes. Ooh, yeah.
That was incredible. We saw this bird roosted this morning in that tree right there. And tried to work down this hill a little bit, but it's so windy and there's so much road noise out here towards this front end that you just couldn't hear. Like I really think that he was gobbling the whole time at us. But anyway, came up with a plan. I said to Mike, let's try to either work down this edge or work around. Well, thank goodness we worked around this edge, because I popped over this little rise and I saw his fan over here strutting. So immediately dropped her straight back to this big stump, this deadfall. I think he gobbled immediately whenever I called, but that's with one of the new ones, guys. Next year you'll be able to pick these up. Just came out with them. Wanted to film some stuff for you guys with them. That one's gonna be awesome. But man, was that exciting or what? How many hens did he have with him?
I saw 2
count.
hens.
Oh, there was like 5 or 6 of them. And then I think I saw another gobbler flying off down there.
What I saw
after
through
I
the
shot.
camera was only two hens that he came in with.
Oh man, hey. The old 20 gauge clobbered him. Man, was that awesome.
That was pretty footage too.